show today, and we hope that he will enjoy his stay. Listeners, they pass the time away listening to the show. You've heard his state of the industry address, unafraid to insult with the best. And he's here now, sitting with Todd Glass, brings his A game every time. The listeners say, Andy, you're a fine guest. What a good guest you will be. Now you're here on the Todd Glass Show with everybody. Andy likes to come around, and with Todd Glass, he's ready to throw down. And a third thing, maybe Andy's found, he always finds his bits. He came on a winter's day, bringing comedy from his home in LA to this podcast. I hope he's here to stay, here on the Todd Glass Show.